Hello everyone, good morning. After the severe storm, I need to get back in the saddle. To plant again, I have here celosia, zinnia, Dusty Miller, and penstemon rose quartz. I drilled the pot at the bottom because there was none when I bought it. This is not an advertisement, this is just what I use. So I added peat moss and a handful of vermiculite to the pot. I'm going to plant this 1 inch deeper because as you can see, the plant is not stable. I can see some roots here, so the new soil level will be up to here. I'm using triple 13 fertilizer. Penstemon is a perennial plant, so they're coming back year after year. That is, if your plant is healthy. The Dusty Miller can grow as tall as 15 inches and they also produce flowers. I don't have any idea what's the color because there was none when I bought them. You can pinch or cut them to encourage branching. I think this is perennial here in zone 7. Both the celosia and the zinnia are annual here in my zone. To encourage continuous blooming of these flowering plants, use high phosphorus fertilizer. Cut the spent blossom like this one. Trim it there. This one, you can trim it there because they will branch out and give more flowers. This one also, you just remove the spent flower. You can see there are small flowers already, the lower portion. We're starting to get hot here in Oklahoma, so I prefer that they stay in an area where there is a morning sun and then shaded in the afternoon. Hi guys, I'm going to plant butterfly bush Leia raspberry. The color is dark pinkish red. This is a perennial plant. They prefer full sun. This thing can grow to 30 inches. And if you want to plant two, so the spacing is 36 inches. Hardiness zone 5 to 10. Mulch inside. Alfalfa meal, fertilizer. Roots are looking good. Backfill my native soil. Press to make sure that there's no air pockets. The storm destroyed my summer water fruit seedlings, so I'm going to sow seeds again. I don't have any idea if these seedlings are going to survive, so better to sow seeds. It would be nice if you can help me grow my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Have a wonderful time.